You won't feel it today. You won't see it tomorrow. But 1 hour, just 1 hour a day, can change everything. It sounds simple, maybe even too simple, but when life is overwhelming and noisy, simple is what saves you. Because 1 hour a day is a promise. A quiet promise between who you are and who you want to be. It doesn't need applause. No one needs to know. It's yours. 1 hour to read the book no one told you to write the ideas you've been carrying in your heart, to move your body when your mind says rest, to build what hasn't been built. Jack Ma once said, "Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine." That sunshine? It starts with 1 hour today. 1 hour can change your mindset, your focus, your future, not because time is magic, but because consistency is. Every day, that hour becomes a wall between you and regret, a bridge between failure and growth, a quiet rebellion against the version of you who gave up too soon. Most people waste that hour. They scroll it away, talk it away, complain it away, but you're different. You understand that greatness isn't built in crowds. It's shaped in silence. It's born in the lonely spaces, early mornings, late nights when everyone else is asleep, and you're still showing up. 1 hour a day isn't just time, it's your second chance, your reset button, your edge in a noisy world. You don't need talent. You don't need permission. You just need to choose. Because 1 hour a day compounds, and over weeks, it becomes confidence. Over months, it becomes results. And over years, it becomes legacy. You'll look back one day and realize you weren't lucky, you were disciplined. You weren't gifted, you were committed. This isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the one thing that moves you forward every single day. 1 hour, no noise, no excuses, just progress. And when the world asks how you changed, you won't have to say a word. They'll see it. Because real success doesn't speak loudly, it shows up. 1 hour a day can change your life.